Hi and welcome to another Lightroom tutorial. Today we will have a look at the color grading from Danny Solano. This is his Instagram profile, and as you can see, he uses more like a warm type of look with contrast and desaturation. And I would say let's get started recreating this type of look. So first we will start with the basics. We will bring the temperature a little bit more to the warmer type, and we'll go to +25. The tint we will bring down a little bit to -12. Next we will go to the exposure. We will bring it down just a tiny bit to like 0.15. The contrast we will bring up to 40. Next, the highlights we will bring down to -40. The shadows we will bring all the way down to -100. The whites we will bring down to -30. And the blacks we will bring down to -10. Then we will give it a tiny bit of clarity to +15. And the saturation we will bring down to -30. So, and this is it for the basic adjustments, and please always remember that the adjustments look different from image to image. It depends what type of image you have, what lighting the image had, etc. And you might have to readjust a little bit the basics or the other adjustments, but that is done really quickly. And next we will go to the tone curve. The tone curve we will just bring down the dark a tiny bit to -20. Next we will go to the HSL color, and here we will just bring down the saturation from the red a tiny bit, because as you can see it's still a tiny bit too bright for the look, so we'll just bring it down to -40. And next we will go to split toning. Here we will bring the highlights to like a yellowish type of look, which in this case is going to be around 52. And the saturation we will bring to 10. The shadows we will bring to like an orangey red type of look, which is going to be here 18. And saturation by 15. Alright. So, last but not least, we will bring a little vignette to our image. Not too strong, just very slightly. And for this we will bring the amount to the left side, to the negative side, so we'll have a dark vignette. And in this case we will go down to -10. And as you can see, it's not a big change, but a little. So this is it for the tutorial. Our image is ready, and I hope you liked this little quick tutorial, and if you did, please leave a like, and you're very welcome to subscribe for future Lightroom tutorials. And should you be interested in a special color grading from someone, then just let me know in the comments, and I'll have a look and try to recreate it in a future video. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye!